In a 35-minute phone call on 18th June 2025 with US President Donald Trump, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi emphatically but diplomatically cleared the air on recent remarks by President Trump that have raised eyebrows in India. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and US President Donald Trump spoke over the phone on 18th June 2025 as the scheduled bilateral meeting on the sidelines of the G7 summit in Canada had to be cancelled due to President Trump returning to US early. India's Ministry of External Affairs issued a statement on the phone call between Modi and Trump. The statement made extraordinary mention of usually diplomatic discussions of highest-level conversations. Notably, the statement cleared the air on President Trump's mention of how US had caused a ceasefire between India and Pakistan on 10th May, and how trade with US was used perhaps as a bargaining chip with both countries. India's official statement said Modi spoke in detail about Operation Sindoor with President Trump, while making it clear that India was determined to act against Pakistan-supported and sponsored terrorism. Modi enumerated the sequence of events between 6th and 10th May that saw India and Pakistan embroiled in a military engagement. Modi said India only targeted the terrorist camps and hideouts in Pakistan and Pakistan occupied Kashmir in a very measured, precise, and non-escalatory manner. Pakistan's military response was met with a stronger response. The Indian statement detailed that on the night of May 9, US Vice President Vance had made a phone call to Prime Minister Modi, conveying that Pakistan may launch a major attack on India. Modi had conveyed to him in clear terms that if such an action were to occur, India would respond with an even stronger response. On the night of May 9 to 10, India gave a strong and decisive response to Pakistan's attack, inflicting significant damage on the Pakistani military. Their military air bases were rendered inoperable. Due to India's firm action, Pakistan was compelled to request a cessation of military operations. During the phone call between Modi and Trump on 18 June, Prime Minister Modi expressed inability to stop by in the US on his way back from Canada due to prior commitments. President Trump inquired if Prime Minister Modi could stop over in the US on his way back from Canada. Trump and Modi discussed the ongoing conflict between Israel and Iran. Both leaders agreed that for peace in the Russia-Ukraine conflict, direct dialogue between the two parties is essential, and continued efforts should be made to facilitate this. Prime Minister Modi extended an invitation to President Trump to visit India for the next Quad summit. President Trump accepted the invitation and said that he is looking forward to visiting India.